Namaskar, Vanakkam. So today we are going to do 3 suryanamaskars. First one will be very slow paced. I want you to understand the breathing. Second one will be a little faster, and third one a very small yet useful variation. So let's begin. Come at the front of your mat. Your feet will be just hip width apart. Now the first round when you begin, number 1, hands at your chest. Exhale. When you exhale, your navel is tucked in. Slowly inhale. Hands up. Hands will go up first, back, hip forward, and neck slightly tilted backward. Exhale, come down. Now, if you are not in a position to have complete range of motion, you can stand like this or you can stand like this. Listen to your body always. These are the slight variations if you are a beginner. Okay? Now, your hands besides your leg. Inhale and right leg back. Look in front. While holding your breath, take your left leg back. Now you are in a plank position. Slowly exhale. First, bring your knee down. 1, chest, chin. Complete exhale. Inhale and cobra pose. Look upwards. Bend down. Exhale. Adjust your legs to a position where your feet touch the ground completely. Now you are in an exhale position. Exhale. Inhale and try to take your right leg in between your palms. Now, if with first go you are not able to adjust your feet, for example, if it comes somewhere like this, push and place it in between your palms with the help of your hands if you are a beginner. Exhale, bring your left foot forward. Slowly come up. Inhale. Exhale and back to number 1 position. We'll repeat the same. This was the half round of first. Let's begin with the left side. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale again. Inhale, left leg back. Look in front. Hold your breath. Right leg back. Plank position. Slowly exhale. Knee down. Chest down. Chin down. Inhale. Cobra pose. Look upwards to the ceiling. Shoulder relax. Elbow slightly bent. Downward dog. Exhale. Adjust your feet. Feel the stretch. Inhale. Left foot forward. Exhale. Right foot forward. Try to feel a stretch. Either this or this. Slowly come up. Inhale and exhale for the last step. Let us do round 2 little faster than the first one. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right leg back. Hold your breath. Left leg back. Exhale. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra pose. Shoulder relax, elbow bent. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right foot forward. Exhale, left foot forward. Inhale, hip forward. Exhale. Back to prayer position. Round 2 on left side. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg back. Hold your breath. Right leg back. Exhale. Knee down. Chest down. Chin down. Inhale. Cobra pose. Look upwards. Shoulder relax. Elbow bend. Exhale. Downward dog. Feel the stretch. Inhale. Left leg forward. Exhale. Right leg forward. A complete stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Third round with a single variation. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right leg back. Slowly as you inhale, take your left hand upwards. Normal breathing, you can count up to 20 or 10 as much as your body permits. Exhale and bring the left hand down. Slowly take your left foot back. Now, try to hold this plank position for a while. Embrace your core. Not too low, not too high. Just the right position. Slowly come up. Exhale, knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, hands back, hip forward. Exhale, prayer position. Third Surya Namaskar, left side with the variation. Exhale, inhale, exhale down, inhale, left leg back. Now your right hand goes up with the inhale. Look at the tip of your fingers, count up to 20. With an exhale, come down. Slowly take your left leg back. Try to hold the plank position again. Come on your elbows. Embrace your core. Tuck your navel to the spine. Back to the plank. Exhale. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Feel the stretch. Inhale. Exhale. If you are a beginner, try to lie down in a relaxed position, Shavasana, for a few minutes till your breath and your heart rate comes to normal. Open your palms, just breathe, feel your breath. Namo Narayana.